What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best bike locks on Amazon through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the best bike locks, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with Titanker Bike Chain Lock. The chain lock for bicycle 3 feet. Made from 6mm thick security links, our bike lock is made from heavy-duty metal known for its toughness and cut resistance. Regular lubrication of both the keyhole lock hole and lock hole will prolong its service life. This bike lock has a protective cloth sleeve to protect the chain. Dust covers can also protect your keyhole against rain and dust. It is easy to snap the bike together and lock it without using keys. Never leave your bike outside for any length of time. In high crime areas, especially, a bike lock cannot be guaranteed to be 100% secure. Titanker bike chain locks include 2 keys. The keys can be taken for daily use or left at home to replace one that is lost. 2 keys convenience. The chain lock measures approximately 3 feet in length. They measure approximately 1.97 inches in length and 0.23 inches in thickness. Lock weight, 1.4 pounds. Ideal for bikes, scooters, ladders and lawnmowers, strollers, scooters, fences, toolboxes, sports equipment, etc. Up next, we have NDakter bike lock cable in our list. It has smart 5-digit combination chain lock with resettable 5-digit code, much safer than traditional 4-digit locks. It is simple to create your unique number combination. The bike cable is made from high-strength braided wire steel, which can withstand 2.4 kilonewtons strain and 7 kilonewtons shear force. This provides more strength, as well as flexibility. Protective vinyl coating helps to prevent scratches and provide a longer-lasting wear. This cable measures approximately 4 feet by half in length and can be carried easily by different users. It also features a self-coiling design, which makes it convenient to use. The combination locking mechanism allows for keyless convenience. You don't have to worry about losing your key or forgetting to bring it. The code can be reset. There are 10,000 combinations that you can create, which means the chance of cracking the code is only 1 in 10,000. The cable measures 4 feet long and can be used to lock 2 bikes together or attach your bike to a fence, tree, fence, railing, pole, or gate. You can use the lock for bikes, scooters, and skateboards, as well as grills, ladders, and doors. The very next bike U lock we have is VVA Bike U Lock. The VVA Bike U Lock has a hexagonal, protective vinyl coating cover that resists corrosion from dirt, water, and dust. This will prolong the life of your lock. All-weather performance provides security and peace of mind. The bike lock has a thickness of 14mm, 250mm, and a 5.51 inches, 140mm. Simply use the U-Shack to lock it and go. With our simple, quick, and no-hassle system, you can lock your bike and your wheels with a 10mm by 180cm cable. It's a great safety tool for bikes. The U-Lock bicycle lock comes with 2 keys. You have 1 key that you can use every day, and you have the other to leave at home in the event of an accident. It has high-quality, convenient mounting bracket that will allow your lock to go with you. For more information on how to install this bracket, please refer to the picture. Up next, we have DINOKA large bike U lock in our list. The combination of the DINOKA bicycle lock and U lock, sometimes called D-lock, has a double opening head. This means that the thief must open the U-shaped bike lock from both sides simultaneously. It is safer than single opening head bike locks. The bicycle's lock cylinder is made of C-grade pure copper blades. This structure prevents various technology from opening. 2 rust-proof copper keys are included in the heavy-duty anti-theft bike lock. They have a complex slot with a snake-shaped design that makes them safer to use. This U bike lock is made out of 16mm or 0.63 inches, including 0.1 in friendly silicone sleeves. The lock is hardened high-performance alloy steel that can resist cutting, lever attacks, and increase strength and durability. This U-locks for bicycle measure 11.42 inches by 6.3 inches. This is larger than the 9.7 inches tablet and magazine, but is still easy to transport. The mounting bracket is compatible with all-round tripods of a diameter of at least 1.18 inches 30 millimeters. To provide greater protection for your bike, the U Lock bike lock has a 4 feet or 48 inches double-loop steel cable that is coated with protective vinyl coating. This will give you more space to lock your bike. It can be used with mountain bikes, electric bikes, scooters bikes, and courtyard gates. We can finish it up with VVA Bike U Lock in our list. This bike lock includes a 0.86 inches heavy-duty shackle. It has great heat resistance and hydraulic shear resistance. The silicone cover is 0.10 inches thick and can protect your bicycle from scratches. The bicycle lock features an imported copper look C-grade copper look cylinder that is certified to resist leverage attacks. This cylinder is also anti-theft and has excellent performance. The combination bike lock includes a 4 feet length, 0.45 inch thick steel cable, and a high-quality bracket. This allows you to quickly install it and use it without the need for additional tools. It is extremely easy to use. The bicycle U Lock measures 11.42 by 6.9 inches. It is light and easy to transport and store. It can be used on mountain bikes, road bicycles, and folding bicycles to provide high-quality safety protection. This combination bike lock kit includes keys, bike lock, keys, and flex cable. The bracket can be used to protect your bike from any direction. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.